Hello student, in this video you are going to understand about Lensmaker formula. Lensmaker formula give you the relation between focal length, refractive index and radius of curvature. This formula is used to find the focal length of a convex lens as well as a concave lens. Here I had plotted the course of ray diagram, and in this ray diagram I have taken a convex lens, and here a point object O, a ray move from O to P, rarer to denser medium, so it bends towards normal PQ. If there is no surface AC, then this ray will be moved forward and it meet at I1, so the image will be formed at I1. But here we have a surface ADC, so the ray have to be refract again, and it move from denser to rarer medium, so it refract and move away from normal and it meet at point I. So final image will be formed at I. Now you are going to understand about the formula, how to derive the formula for Lensmaker formula. Here we use refraction for surface ABC at point P. What we have? We have the object distance U and the image distance is V1. This object is in refractive index N1, so we will write here N1 by minus U, and this I1 will be formed at denser medium, so we will write here N2 by V, which is equals to N2 minus N1 divided by radius of curvature. At this point P, this will touch to C1, so radius of curvature is R1. So we write here R1. Let this be equation number 1. Now refraction for surface ADC at point Q. We have N2, here we have V1, so we have N2 by V1 minus sign plus N1 by V is equals to N1 minus N2 by R2, equation number 2. Now adding equation 1 and 2, we will see that N2 by V1 and N2 by V1 will cancel out. So what we get? We get N1 by minus U plus N1 by V, and on the RHS side we have N2 minus N1 by R1 plus N1 minus N2 by R2. Now take out the common term, so we have 1 by U1, 1 by minus U plus 1 by V, and the common term is N1. On the RHS side, take out common N2 minus N1. So under bracket we have 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. Move this N1 to the denominator side. We have 1 by minus U plus 1 by V is equals to N2 upon N1 minus 1. We have 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. Now this give you 1 by minus U plus 1 by V is equals to N21 minus 1 under bracket 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. Let the equation be 3. Now we can say that when we put the object at infinitive, then the image will be formed at focus. So we write here when U tends to infinitive, then V tends to focus. So therefore at this place we have 1 by minus infinitive plus 1 by F is equals to N21 minus 1 under bracket 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. 1 by infinitive is 0. So what we have? We have 1 by F is equals to n to 1 minus 1 under bracket 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. This is said to be Lensmaker formula. This equation is said to be equation number 4. Here you are saying that the relation is among refractive index, radius of curvature 1, radius of curvature 2 and principal focus. So this is said to be Lensmaker formula. By using this formula, we can form a lens of desired focal length. Now further, if we equate equation number 4 and equation number 3, then you also get the thin lens formula. So we can deduce thin lens formula by the derivation of Lensmaker formula as from equation 3 and 4. What we have? Here we have 1 by minus u plus 1 by v, and here you have 1 by f. This is said to be thin lens formula. Thus, Lensmaker formula is the relation between focal length, refractive index and radius of curvature. From here we also conclude that refractive index n is inversely proportional to focal length, or you can say that focal length is inversely proportional to refractive index. From here I can give you a question also, that the question is, suppose I take a convex lens and I put the convex lens inside the water, then what will be the effect on the focal length? Then as we put inside the water, then this n21 will be decreased. If n21 will be decreased, then focal length will be increased. Okay, I have another example also. A magician take a glass and it put a glass into a liquid, then the glass will disappear. Why this will happen? This will happen because the refractive index of the glass and the liquid is same. Thank you.